Greetings, Super C adventurers! Welcome to Porter's RV Sales, where luxury meets the open road. We're excited to showcase a super clean 2007 Jayco Seneca HD 36GS with 84,000 miles. This 36-foot Super C diesel pusher, built on a heavy-duty Chevrolet Kodiak C5500 chassis, features the spacious 36GS floor plan with 3 large slide-outs, sleeping for 2 in refined comfort. Coated in Jayco's vibrant dark chestnut full-body paint package, this RV radiates style, powered by a potent Duramax diesel engine. Join us for a full tour to explore every detail of this remarkable Super C. Let's start with the exterior, where the 2007 Jayco Seneca HD 36GS impresses with classic appeal. The dark chestnut graphics package gives this coach a bold, sophisticated look. At 36 feet, it's crafted on a heavy-duty Chevrolet Kodiak C5500 Super C chassis with full air brakes and air ride suspension, delivering a smooth, confident ride. Powered by a 6.6-liter Duramax V8 turbo diesel engine, it produces 300 horsepower and 520 foot-pounds of torque, paired with the Allison 1000 series automatic transmission for reliable performance. An Onan 7.5 kilowatt quiet diesel generator with 1,375 hours ensures dependable off-grid power. The exterior is equipped with practical features for comfortable camping. Pass-through basement storage compartments offer ample space for gear. An exterior entertainment compartment with a small TV and speakers creates a setup for outdoor enjoyment. Power patio awning, slide toppers, and a power door awning provide shade and protection. Automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls, rear-view camera system with in-dash monitor, and an 8,000-pound trailer hitch complete the package. Powering your travels is supported with dual roof-mounted ACs and ducted furnaces with thermostat control, 50-amp service with extension cord, and a power reel. These systems make this Seneca a solid choice for extended trips or weekend getaways. Step inside, and the 36GS floor plan opens into a spacious, couple-friendly interior. 3 large slide-outs create a roomy layout that sleeps 2 in refined comfort. The layout features a queen-size bed in the rear master bedroom. The front living room is a comfortable retreat with a love seat, dual theater recliners, a Euro recliner, and a 32-inch TV above the cab, perfect for relaxing evenings. The full kitchen is designed for practical meal preparation. It boasts a Norcold gas/electric refrigerator and freezer, gas stovetop and oven, microwave, and residential sink and faucet, with good counter space and storage. The middle bathroom is one of the largest in this class, with a large shower enclosure with glass doors, skylight, sink/vanity, and water closet with toilet and power vent fan. The rear master bedroom is crafted for restful nights. The queen bed, paired with a 32-inch TV and wardrobe closet, offers comfort and organization. The slide-out creates an open feel. Let's spotlight what makes this RV extraordinary. The 36GS floor plan, with 3 slide-outs, offers a spacious interior for 2 in a 36-foot package. The Duramax engine and Chevrolet Kodiak chassis deliver powerful, reliable performance, while the Onan generator with 1,375 hours supports off-grid adventures. Premium features like the power patio awning, slide toppers, and dark chestnut paint package add elegance and practicality. Picture cruising in this 2007 Jayco Seneca HD 36GS, exploring national parks, lakeside campsites, or mountain retreats with your loved one. Imagine preparing meals in the full kitchen, relaxing in the living room, or unwinding in the queen bed after a day of adventure. This RV blends home-like comfort with the freedom of the open road, and its dark chestnut exterior ensures you arrive in style. With 84,000 miles, every journey will create lasting memories. Why choose this Seneca? Its blend of spaciousness and versatility is unmatched, with features like the full kitchen and private bath that make life on the road effortless. The 36GS floor plan offers plenty of room for two, while the Duramax engine ensures reliable power for any journey. Ready to make this masterpiece yours? This 2007 Jayco Seneca HD 36GS is a rare opportunity to own a feature-packed Super C diesel pusher. Reach out at 864260926, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more, or schedule a test drive. The Porters RV sales team is eager to launch your next adventure in style. Thank you for joining us for this action-packed walk-around of the 2007 Jayco Seneca HD 36GS. Discover more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. With its 3 slide-outs and comfortable features, this Super C is a must-see. Call us today at 864260926 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2007 Seneca HD 36GS. This is Porters RV Sales, and we're thrilled to see you hit the road in comfort.